You get security first within you. Then what happens is you attract somebody who reaffirms what you already feel. I'm secure.
Have you ever wondered why you keep attracting the same kind of people, the ones who leave you feeling unseen, unappreciated, or not enough? It's not bad luck. It's not because something's wrong with you. It's because we attract what we believe we deserve. In this video, Nij shares why we keep repeating painful patterns in love, and how everything changes when you start filling your own void from within.
When we can give that to ourselves in the first place, when we get that from within, when we're satisfied from within, we stop seeking it from external, that's what changes the relationship. Because, let me just give you this example. If let's say there's a female who lacks security in themselves, what kind of partner is she going to attract? She's going to attract somebody who sees her as weak. And what's going to happen is, he's not going to give her security. And then what's the universe affirming to her?
You're weak.
That you're weak. You don't have security. So the idea is, get it first within you, then what kind of person do you attract? Somebody who makes you feel secure. It's the other way around. We're like, I don't feel secure, let me attract somebody who will make me feel secure. No, you're going to attract somebody who's going to make you feel insecure. He's going to be doing this and doing that. You're going to check his phone every 2 minutes, like that. And just reaffirming that you're not got security. So it's the other way around. You get security first within you. Then what happens is you attract somebody who reaffirms what you already feel. I'm secure. It's amazing. We've got the logic. It's counterintuitive. That's why I have to say it. We think it's the other way around. That's why I'm doing this course. We don't feel loved. Let me just give you the love one. We don't feel loved, so what do? We seek love from our partner, and because we're needy all the time, because we're this and that, and whether it's the male or the female, we're needy. Where are you? This, that, whatever. I love you. Why is she saying I love you? Because she wants to hear it back. And then the guy's like, oh my God, flip it, leave me alone. So what happens? He leaves her. And then it reinforces, see, you're not loved. What has to happen is he or she has to develop that love for themselves first. Then they attract somebody who reinforces their feeling of love. Whatever is inside of you, you are going to attract somebody who reinforces whatever's already inside of you, not the other way around. We think we come empty and say, fill my cup, fill my cup. That's the problem. We fill up first, and then when we come, it's a whole different ballgame. We attract somebody in the first place like that. I have a client who's going through she's 7 years married. She wants to divorce her husband. So when I went into the nitty gritty, I said, what do you believe about marriage? She said, oh, I'm not cut out for marriage. I was like, that's exactly why you attracted such a rubbish husband. I asked her, how did you attract such a crap guy? I'm just going to be honest. How did you attract such a crap husband? Because she already believes she's not cut out for marriage. So what's her husband proving to her? Just reaffirming what was already inside. See the point? So when you love yourself in the first place, you will now attract people into your life that will reinforce that love. It's so beautiful and it's so powerful, but we need to do the work internally.
When you start loving yourself from within, you stop chasing love and start attracting it naturally. If this message speaks to you, like and subscribe for more insights on healing, self-love, and emotional growth.